Alrighty everybody, so tonight I am going to do something a little bit different. It's not going to be a very long video, but I'm going to show you a cool place to watch the fireworks for no money at all. My husband found this location not too long ago and I have time to kill, so I figured I'd check it out. So let's see. So I'm headed into the orange parking lot and I am going all the way up. There are 564 spots up here. I'm over in orange parking and I'm right next to the Disney Quest, and just by where I'm parked I can see the Epcot ball. So this is going to be awesome to see the fireworks from up here. So the Epcot ball's over there. Go from here. So there's Disney Quest. I'm sitting in the car with my windows open to get a nice breeze, and now I'm actually kind of cold. Hashtag Florida life. Yes, I have a blanket on, don't judge me. And my hair's a little crazy now, but it was windy out there. So just a little bit of a synopsis. You're at the top of the Disney Springs parking garage. You can see Illuminations the best. So Illuminations is going to be right in front of you. Over to the right by pretty much all the way in the back, you'll see Wishes. And then to the left of Epcot, you'll see Hollywood Studios Star Wars fireworks. Now, the Star Wars fireworks don't really go on as often as Wishes, and even as often as Illuminations. So you'll see some fireworks here and there for Star Wars, but you won't see that many. For Illuminations, you'll see a bunch in between when they're doing the songs and the lighting up of the World Showcase. But you'll see Wishes going on for the whole duration of Wishes. Now, Wishes actually looks like it finishes first. Illuminations is second and Star Wars is third. So if you're looking at time frame as to which set of fireworks will finish first, Wishes finishes first. Even though you'll see the most fireworks, it does finish sooner than Illuminations. Star Wars actually finishes about 2 to 3 minutes after Illuminations finishes. So probably about 5 minutes after Wishes. So if you want to see a great view of the fireworks and see 3 different fireworks shows happening at once, come over to the Disney Springs Orange parking lot at the roof. I'm in L5 all the way against the wall. So that's why you saw the little metal pieces because there's like a divide between you and, of course, falling over the edge. But I'll probably come back on another day when it's a little bit warmer and I have my tripod and probably a better camera, so that way you could see it a little bit better. But I figured I'd give you guys a little something different, something you might not have known or might not have seen. If you're just in the area and want to view fireworks, you got nothing to do at 9 o'clock. Well, right now it's 9 o'clock, but that all three of them are going on at the same time, but that might not always be the case. So always check your My Disney Experience for your times for your fireworks. Other than that, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, click that subscribe button. I'd love some subscribers. But other than that, see you next time. Bye.